For this lesson you will need some additional files. As usually, I will add links to them in video's description. First of all, you will need font. We're going to use Sira Condensed Regular. You can download it from Google Fonts, and as I said, I will provide a link to it. Also, you will need the icon for the options button. Put it to SRC folder. And also we need the image of the sun. Create icons folder in your public folder and add clearday.svg there. First, let's edit our index.css. We need to define the font face. I hope you're familiar with this syntax. You just define the font family and provide the path to it. Now we are going to use it as a font for the whole application. Good, now let's make it white. Let's go back to frontside.js and fix the options button. To do that, we'll have to first import the image we're going to use. Now we just add the img tag. Okay, it's too big now, let's specify the size. Also, don't forget to add the alt attribute. Now time to add the weather icon. Remove the div, we're not going to use it, and add the image instead. And let's add alt attribute as well. Actually, our card also has clear day modifier. Let's use it. Okay, now we completed styling the front side.